Welcome to this astounding ethereal viewpoint on the Faroe Islands. The certifiable greatness of this scene is essentially impossible. You can see some notable attractions like the Múlafossur course, the Trøllkonufingur cliffs, Gjógv, the figure of Selkie, seal wife, the Kallur Lighthouse, Kalsoy, and clearly the incredible fjords. Just put on your headphones, lean back and participate in this slackening up video. The Faroe Islands is a self-regulating archipelago, part of the Kingdom of Denmark. It contains 18 unpleasant, volcanic islands among Iceland and Norway in the North Atlantic Ocean, related by road tunnels, ships, roadways and ranges. Travelers and bird watchers are drawn to the island's mountains, valleys and verdant heathland, and steep seashore front feigns that harbor a large number of seabirds. Gjógv is perhaps the most shot sights on the Faroe Islands, and in light of current circumstances, its nearness to the air terminal, around a 10-minute drive away, makes it available to guests. What's more, you will scarcely believe, the view is dazzling. The huge cascade is made by mountain overflow driving through the town of Gjógv. The well-known bird-settling island of Feigns can even be found somewhere out there on a crisp morning. When you emerge from the Gjógv borough, you'll twist downhill until you see rock pull-offs in the city. Park here and stroll down the grass pathway toward the sea perspective. In the event that time grants, head up into town to the